Ladies, when you put on that sleeveless dress, what's the first thing that sticks out? Our arms are the problem area that we never seem to be able to find the solution for, until now, with the Shake Weight. Shake Weight is the flab-busting breakthrough that trims your arms and shapes your shoulders at the same time.
The back of my arm, definitely in the tricep area.
Oh my gosh, I can feel the definition already.
That's a real workout.
You just shake it, back and forth. There's no motor, no batteries, and you get the results you want.
In a matter of seconds, you feel it really working your muscles.
My arms feel worked. It's definitely a good workout.
I'm feeling it in my chest and my biceps and my triceps.
Inside the Shake Weight are dual moving weights called dynamic inertia that simultaneously target and engage your biceps and triceps. It's the power of 240 muscle contractions per minute. In fact, if you had the Shake Weight in your hands right now, you'd feel the results before the end of this commercial. Now you can wear the dress styles you want, the chic blouses that show off your arms, even those cute t-shirts that make casual look just a little sexy.